DCI amplifiers with network control and DSP have the ability to monitor input AC line voltage to the amplifier. Although all DCI amplifiers include an advanced power factor corrected universal power supply, it is sometimes beneficial to monitor the AC line voltage for a device during system troubleshooting. This feature is configured using HiQNet Audio Architect software. To configure the amplifier to monitor AC line voltage, double-click on the virtual representation of the amplifier to open its default device panel. Next, double-click on any one of the amp icons to open the amplifier settings window. The line voltage monitoring controls are located to the lower left corner of this window. By default, the amplifier is configured to report line voltage errors if the input voltage is lower than 90 volts or higher than 265 volts. This is roughly the minimum and maximum voltage rating the amplifier can operate off of, and covers all regions around the world. If you wish to narrow the range for error reporting, adjust the high and low limit parameters. In this example, the amplifier is running off a nominal 120 volts AC line, and the amplifier will report an error when the voltage goes below 108 and above 132 volts, or plus and minus 10% of nominal. When the Report Errors button is in the on state, the amplifier will send a notification to the event log when either the upper or lower limits are exceeded. The GPIO can also be configured to toggle logic states when this button is on. To simulate this, the low limit threshold will be set above the current line voltage. Please note that even if the amplifier is reporting a line voltage error based off the new voltage limits, the amplifier will continue to operate as long as it is within its engineered operating range. Thank you for watching this video. For questions, comments, or suggestions regarding this or any other video, please send them to the email address shown below. For technical assistance, please call the technical support department or email them at the options shown below.